Big world. Big adventures. So it comes out, stops back here, the point switch was what that click was. Now I'll just follow it down the track. One sec. So if you remember from my vlog long ago, I went to go see BEDT 16. There she is. And there's number one in the way. It's James, but not James. So this is Jaws. Everyone say hi to Jaws. We have a Pennsylvania Railroad boxcar. Now there are no signs saying don't climb on the equipment, so make of that what you will. And here's Le Caboose, which you can actually go into, so make of that what you will. And you come around here, it's a big old truck for wagons. Let's try and move it. Nah, you don't want to move. Yeah, come on down. Come on down. This isn't Pennsylvania. This is New York. What are you doing here? You silly goose. Okay, so we're entering the caboose here. It's very cute. Very cute. There we go. The last wooden caboose. Look at that. There you go. Couldn't focus right. Alright, so here's the inside. You know, we got our little stove here, you know. Look at that. Full of coal. Probably opened that wrong, you know, it's fine. And got a shovel to stoke it, and you got your tail lamps. I got a little bench here. A little desk to do your work on. I guess that's the air brake, I don't know. The little like, blueprints of how the caboose looked. I got a fire extinguisher just to be safe. I got your upper benches up here and up. Ooh, hello. What are you doing here? You silly guy. What are you doing here? What are you doing in the caboose, bro? What are you doing here? Hi. I'll finish showing off the rest of the caboose. So, what's in the store? Alright, so we got some equipment in boxes. Alright, in here we have more like buckets and tools and stuff. You know, the usual gig. What we got in here, I think it's just some more tools and stuff. Yeah, just some bins of old wood. And in here we have the toilet. Alright, I'm gonna attempt to like get in this seat here. I don't fully trust the footstep here. So I'm just gonna put my knee up here. Hold on, gotta drop the camera to do this. Oh crap. Watch me, alright, I'll try it. Is that gonna support my weight? Yes, alright. Well, alright, I zoomed in by mistake. But I'm up here, the windows are glazed. But I am up here. So, win. I better open these windows, hold on. Let's... You slide? Oh, okay. Aha. I don't know if I'm allowed to do this. It's very hot in here. How are we looking out there? Wow. It's nice outside. And there's also just a bench over there if you want to sleep. It's very hot in here. If you decide to come here, don't do that. Because I don't know what we are and aren't allowed to touch. I'm just breaking the law. Look at that. Restoration of the LIR or caboose, number 14. Nice. So while we're down here, this is just more storage space. And down here, flip this lock over. There is the ice box. How nice is that? Probably nice and cool in there. It's solid metal. Yeah. Just close that back up. Nice. Alright, so now for the most dangerous part of the journey. You guys are going to cross the train tracks. The active train tracks. So you can go take a look at the turntable. So a whistle sign. Points on this railroad crossing down to the train station. Here we are, right across. And here is the turntable, which is practically non-existent. So here is the remnants of it. You can kind of see actually on this side the rail that the turntable spins on. I think that's a mechanism over there. Let me take a look at. So yeah, here's where the steam. Oh, it's a soccer ball. So this is where the locomotives would come and turn around, since right over there is the station, the end of the line, and apparently always has been for this track. Why are there so many like balls down here? So yeah, the locomotives where, you know, they put their trains in, they would run around. I think if we actually like go look, we can actually kind of like map out like where the whole track line kind of went. Yeah, here's the mechanism that turned it. I'm assuming like the well house would be like over top this. There's the wheel that spun it. I don't know what this pit here is for. It's just kind of a pit. Oh yeah, the train station's over there, which is why it splits and becomes like one track over there. You know, it's becomes 3 lines. So they just never bothered, I guess, because, you know, now it's all like, you know, electric. So the steam engines would, you know, come down. They would come onto the turntable. They'd spin round. I'm assuming this is actually pointing in the direction that the line faced, because, you know, there's a break in the fence at that end. There's a break here. So I assume that the locomotive just crossed it. Do I? Yeah, I'm standing on the turntable. So the closest I will get to working on a active railroad, because I don't know about you, but I don't see a lot of turntables pretty often. Although this museum technically has 2, because this museum is joined with the other one that has 16. But this one's catch is Long Island Railroad number 39, who you might have heard me mention a few times in some of the Strasburg vlogs, because this museum, this specific location, owns number 39. And the plan was to have her restored to working order and have her run at Strasburg. So she's still there. They have not raised a lot of money because the museum has to raise the funds. Yeah, look at that. It's kind of like a road that follows along, so clearly could have easily followed over down to there. And if we look down the tracks, there's 2 lines here, there's 1 track going around the other side. So clearly it could have been a runaround, and the tracks reverge into 1 down that way. So Strasburg still has number 39's boiler. All her workings and mechanisms are here somewhere in storage. And oh, it's actually dead end siding. Alright, whatever. So donate to the Railroad Museum of Long Island, because they are still taking donations. But in a few years, if they don't raise that goal, number 39 will come back to here and just be put on static display, and she might never run again. So donate now. There's a link in the description if I remember to do that. Yeah. And that was that. Come on down.